Good evening, good evening. Did you know there are essentially two roads that will take you down the length of Sanibel to the northernmost public beach on Captiva? It is a 14-mile trip from the Causeway four-way stop, but it's well worth the price of admission. Take Periwinkle Way, turn right on Palm Ridge Road, and then just keep going. And what is the reward for your journey? The Alison Hagerup Beach Park. It is a wide sandy beach located adjacent to the private South Seas Island resort. Look ahead and you can see the parking lot for the beach. This is a paid parking lot and it is open from dawn to dusk. So who was Alison Hagerup? She was a remarkable public servant who worked for the Captiva Erosion Prevention District for 20 years. She was instrumental in lobbying for beach re-nourishment projects and was known for getting everyone to agree for the common good of the beaches. Unfortunately, she passed away in 2008. The beach faces west, giving you the perfect view of the sun setting over the Gulf of Mexico. Once you leave the beach, you can make a stop at the nearby Captiva Cemetery to pay your respects to Alison. You can easily spot her marker because it is surrounded by shells placed by her friends and family in her remembrance. I hope you take the time to visit the magnificent Alison Hagerup Beach Park. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.